In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Google Business profile to keep your business information fresh and improve your online visibility. Let's get started. First, open Google and make sure you're signed into the account you use to create your business profile. Type your business name into the Google search bar. Adding your city may help if there are similar names. If your profile doesn't appear immediately in the search results, click View Profile to access your business dashboard. Click Edit Profile to update your business details, like hours, location, service area, and contact information. Go to the Read Reviews section. Take a moment to respond to all reviews with a short, personal reply. Just 2 or 3 sentences are enough to show appreciation and engagement. Regularly update your profile with high-quality photos and videos. If you have a physical location, include pictures of the interior, exterior, and any special features of your business. If you sell products online, use the Edit Products section to showcase them. If you offer services, go to Edit Services, list all your offerings, and add descriptions. This step takes time, but it's worth it for visibility. Use the Add Updates feature to share news, promotions, or seasonal specials. Posting once a week or every other week helps keep your business active and visible. Keeping your Google Business profile updated helps you show up in local searches, especially within a 5 to 7 mile radius. If you need help optimizing your profile, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to assist.